Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE speed sensor, part #WH12X27187. The GE speed sensor, part #WH12X27187, is a replacement part for GE washing machines. It is a part of the motor control system and is responsible for monitoring the speed of the motor. The speed sensor works by detecting changes in the rotational speed of the motor and sending a signal to the control board. This signal is then used to adjust the water level, spin speed, and other settings on the washing machine. The speed sensor also helps to protect the motor from damage due to overloading or excessive heat. The GE speed sensor is an important part of This part fixes the following symptoms. The GE speed sensor, part #WH12X27187, is used to detect the speed of the motor in a washing machine. It can help to diagnose issues such as a washer not spinning, not agitating, or making loud noises. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the dryer from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the back panel of the dryer to access the motor and blower assembly. 3. Locate the speed sensor on the motor and blower assembly. It is a small, black, rectangular box with 2 wires attached to it. 4. Disconnect the 2 wires from the speed sensor by gently pulling them off of their terminals. 5. Remove any mounting screws that are holding the speed sensor in place and then remove it from its mounting bracket. 6. Install the new speed sensor in place of the old one, making sure to secure it with any ammo. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.